Hello viewers, in this video I will show you how to add backlink in this website Symbaloo.com. I will show you step by step, so watch the full video. The website has domain authority 69 and page authority 63 and the website age is 14 years. To add backlink in this website, go to Google and search Symbaloo. Then click on the link. Now click here. And sign up. Click on get started. Now fill up everything. Put your email address, first name, last name, then create a strong password. Then check this box, I agree to Symbaloo's privacy. Register now. Now they send a verification email, so check your email and verify it. Now your email is verified. Now click here. Now click add a web mix. Now give a name. Then click on add. Now click here, add a new tile. Now put your URL here. Put your website URL. Then click on add title, add tile. Now you can see that backlink is added here. This is a NoFollow backlink, but it will increase your domain authority. Now to add another backlink, click here. This way you can add many backlinks in this website, but all the backlinks are NoFollow backlink. So if you add many backlinks, then it will increase your domain authority. The website has high DAPA, so you can add backlink in this website. It will increase your domain authority. If you need any backlink service, then you can knock me in my WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is given here. You will find many backlink video in my YouTube channel, so subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching the video, and please like my video. And if you need any backlink service, then you can knock me in my WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is given here, and you will find my WhatsApp number in my video description. So check my video description.